AI Boardroom vendor selection, processing. Clapperboard explanation of the video in terms of vendor selection. This video is a dynamic Sankey diagram animation that visually represents a boardroom-style AI decision-making model for vendor selection in a manufacturing unit. It shows how various decision-makers, CEO, CTO, and purchase manager, contribute their input to different AI models, DNNs, which then evaluate and recommend the most suitable vendor. Brain structure of the AI boardroom model. Layer participants/components role in decision. Input layer CEO, CTO, purchase manager provides evaluation factors. AI layer, DNNs, 3 deep neural networks, DNNs, process and weigh inputs. Output layer vendors A to E, final recommendation competing vendors plus final result. Puzzle piece flow of the video. 1. Inputs from stakeholders. The CEO provides strategic inputs, cost control, alignment, risk. The CTO evaluates technology fit, scalability, ease of integration. The purchase manager focuses on lead time, quality, compliance. These inputs are visually connected to AI models. 2 AI models, DNN layer. DNN Model 1 combines CEO inputs for strategic evaluation. DNN Model 2 processes CTO inputs for tech evaluation. DNN Model 3 analyzes PM's inputs for operational alignment. Each DNN analyzes its input segment and sends decision weights toward potential vendors. 3. Vendor evaluation and recommendation. Vendors A to E receive weighted input from the DNNs. As the animation progresses, connections appear from each model to each vendor. Eventually, all AI insights converge at the final recommendation node. 4. Conclusion and justification. After all data is processed, the model highlights vendor B as recommended. The reason appears next to the title. Reason: best cost-quality ratio and highest compliance score. Bar chart: key decision metrics displayed. Weighted contribution from multiple stakeholders. Real-time multi-model evaluation. Visual clarity of input-output traceability. Strong justification attached to AI's final recommendation. Magnifying glass tilted left. Why this video matters. For value. Top management understand the why behind AI-driven vendor decisions. Procurement teams gain insights into how AI balances qualitative and quantitative inputs. AI/ML architects demonstrate a practical application of multi-model AI fusion. Boardroom use present a data-backed, transparent, and explainable decision process. Memo: vendor selection AI evaluation report. Project, Manufacturing Unit, Vendor Selection. Prepared by AI Boardroom Engine, DNN Ensemble. Author, Pradeep K. Suri. Date, June 2025. Large orange diamond executive summary. The AI-powered boardroom model integrated inputs from key organizational stakeholders CEO, CTO, and purchase manager to evaluate vendors A through E. The evaluation was processed through 3 specialized DNN models, each responsible for analyzing a different dimension of the vendor profile. Following a complete AI-driven analysis, vendor B has been selected as the recommended vendor, based on its optimal cost-quality balance, strong compliance, and technology fit. Brain stakeholder input overview. Role evaluation criteria provided. CEO strategic alignment, cost control, reputation risk. CTO technology compatibility, scalability, integration ease. Purchase manager lead time, quality score, compliance rating. Bar chart AI DNN evaluation layers. AI model focus area key outputs impacted. DNN Model 1 strategy and cost vendor A, vendor B. DNN Model 2 tech evaluation vendor B, vendor C. DNN Model 3 operations and compliance vendor C, vendor D, vendor E. Trophy final vendor rating summary. Vendor evaluation strengths weaknesses. Vendor A competitive cost, strong alignment with CEO's strategic goals, lacks tech integration readiness. Vendor B balanced cost and quality, excellent compliance, top tech fit, slightly longer lead time. Vendor C excellent scalability and integration support, average quality metrics. Vendor D good quality performance, weak strategic and tech alignment. Vendor E adequate compliance, poor performance on cost and tech. Final recommendation. Vendor B is recommended for partnership based on balanced cost-quality ratio, highest compliance rating from purchase manager inputs, strong technology alignment as confirmed by CTO's evaluation, consistently rated high across all 3 DNN evaluation layers. Pushpin remarks from AI Engine. Vendor B scored highest in aggregated confidence across all DNN models, demonstrating both strategic compatibility and operational readiness. The recommendation is explainable, traceable, and consensus-driven. Explanation of the video, DNN output for vendor selection. Studio microphone intro. Welcome to this AI-powered boardroom simulation. This video presents how a group of AI models, specifically deep neural networks, collaborate to assist in strategic vendor selection for a manufacturing unit. Studio microphone Stage 1, Initial Evaluation. At this stage, all vendors receive balanced scores based on early inputs from the CEO, CTO, and purchase manager. The charts indicate that no vendor has a clear advantage yet. Studio microphone Stage 2, Shortlisting. Vendor B begins to outperform others, with rising scores in cost efficiency, technology alignment, and compliance highlighted by the bar chart and pie slice growth. Studio microphone Stage 3, Final Decision. Vendor B emerges as the clear recommendation. It achieves the highest consolidated scores across all AI models. The result reflects a strong cost-quality ratio, technical compatibility, and excellent compliance. Studio microphone Conclusion. This demonstrates how AI through multi-layered DNNs can support enterprise decision-making with transparency, traceability, and confidence. Vendor B is selected as the optimal partner. AI model architecture and evaluation logic designed by Pradeep K. Suri. Direct hit objective. The video demonstrates how a group of AI models, deep neural networks, evaluate multiple vendors, A to E, over several decision-making stages using visual insights via a pie chart, distribution of evaluation scores. A bar chart, exact score values per vendor. This is modeled as an AI-powered decision process for selecting the best vendor for a manufacturing unit. Brain AI models involved, DNN layers. The system uses 3 DNN models, each handling inputs from different stakeholders. DNN model inputs from evaluation focus. DNN model 1 CEO strategic fit, cost control. DNN model 2 CTO technology alignment. DNN model 3 purchase manager quality, delivery, compliance. These models independently score each vendor based on their domain expertise and feed their results to the combined visualization engine. Bar chart visualization stages in the video. White heavy checkmark Stage 1, Initial Evaluation. All vendors show comparable scores. Pie chart, nearly equal slices. Bar chart, vendor B and C slightly ahead. Interpretation, raw evaluation inputs, no decision yet. White heavy checkmark Stage 2, Shortlisted. Vendor B shows a strong upward movement in both pie and bar charts. Vendor C retains position, A, D, and E reduce. Interpretation, AI models agree vendor B has better combined performance. White heavy checkmark Stage 3, Final Decision. Vendor B becomes dominant in both charts. Pie chart, 50% share. Bar chart, tallest bar, score equals 50. Vendors C and D retain minor relevance. Interpretation, AI models reach consensus, vendor B is the best fit. White heavy checkmark why vendor B was selected. Factor score source justification. Cost quality balance DNN model 1+3 optimal ratio. Technology compatibility DNN model 2 best in class integration match. Compliance DNN model 3 top score on delivery standards. Final consensus. Vendor B receives the highest aggregate score across all AI evaluations. It balances strategic goals, tech fit, and operational reliability. Graduation cap. What this video teaches. AI, especially DNNs, can simulate boardroom-style multi-criteria decisions. Visualization helps decode and validate black box AI logic. Clear traceability of stakeholder-driven logic to final vendor recommendation. Thank you.